Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Jason's Porsche channel. Wasn't really even planning on shooting a video today. It just happens to be a little bit warmer December afternoon and very overcast. Supposed to start raining tonight and get very, very cold for the next week. So I had been looking at the tires and wheels on my Porsche Boxster here, and they were looking pretty rough. So I just ran out with the hose real quick and sprayed them down, and then got a microfiber towel and was wiping stuff off. And as you can see, I've already sprayed some tire shine on here. And then I was noticing just how badly these tires need, or these wheels actually, need a good detailing. So something I learned a couple of years ago was about using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser on your wheels. I have actually tried wheel cleaning spray, and I don't know if it's because my wheels are older and in kind of bad shape, but I started noticing the paint looking kind of bad after using the chemicals on it. So I don't even remember the brand that I use now. Yeah, I don't remember. But anyway, I've just decided to go back to just using plain old Mr. Clean Magic erasers. They do an incredible job. And while I'm talking about things that do an incredible job, this tire shine, it comes from Costco. This is Crystal Products Untouchable Wet Tire Finish. All you do is spray it on, and then I kind of wipe it off the wheels. And if there's a little too much and it shows some runs and stuff, I might touch with that, but otherwise you don't ever touch it again. It starts off a little bit extra shiny, and at first I didn't think I was going to like that, but that kind of dulls over a couple of days. But it remains kind of a wet look for, I mean, weeks. And I don't drive this car during rainy days, so it doesn't get tremendously dirty or have a lot of road grime and stuff. So I don't know if on an everyday use car, if if it would last for weeks or not. But anyway, like I said, it comes from Costco. They don't always have it. It always comes in a 3-pack. They had it on sale, so I bought several of them, gave a few cans away as Christmas gifts last year. But anyway, yeah, I've just been very impressed with this stuff. And like I said, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, all you do is I usually break off a little piece of it and just find the grime and start rubbing. You can use it wet or dry on your wheels, and it does such a good job. Let me get you a close-up. Okay, so like I said, I've already gone over this with water and a microfiber towel, but you can see all this up in here. And, it's not a miracle worker. I'm sure these wheels need to be redone, repainted, but see how it lightened all that up? Let's just rub around here real quick. And you can use it wet or dry. It might actually be a little safer on the wheels, I guess, if it was wet, but I've already put the hose away, so I'm not going to worry with that. Okay, so depending on which Mr. Clean Magic Eraser you use, they have specialty ones for like kitchen and bathroom that have more of a soap inside them. And even I think the original ones like I'm trying to use now, there's something to them, and they will leave a little bit of a haze. So I've got a slightly damp microfiber towel. I mean, this one's dirty. I don't ever touch the paint with it. I keep these around for cleaning the brake dust off the wheels. The back of this car actually has metallic brake pads, and so every week I need to wipe them down and get the stuff off. Eventually I will redo the brakes and put ceramics on, and hopefully that'll be nice. The front has ceramics, and I hardly ever have to clean those. But anyway, yeah, I just take a damp microfiber towel and wipe over after I've done the Mr. Clean, just to take, and there was a little water around the lug nuts and stuff, and so that picked that up and made a little smear marks here and there. So yeah, just one final wipe. But anyway, guys, that's all. Like I said, I wasn't even planning on filming a video today, but thought I would just share this tip with you guys. So thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Bye-bye. So all you do is on a clean, dry tire, you spray it on, giving good coverage. And that's it. If you don't overspray it, you don't ever have to touch it again.